We may encounter some problems that we can't solve algebraically. For example, this one, y equals 3 minus log x, and negative 2x plus y equals 1. Even if we tried to use substitution, we do not have the algebra tools to solve this. So when that happens, we're going to use the graphing calculator. We're going to use Desmos to do this. So if you run across problems like this on your homework that say using a graphing device, it's Desmos. So we're going to go to Desmos and graph these two things. We're going to have a logarithmic graph and a linear function. So when we pop over here, I've already got them graphed for us. And we are just looking for the point of intersection, which happens to be at 1, 3. Okay, so super easy to throw these on Desmos and find those points of intersection that way. So that was the answer to this one is, sorry about that, 1, 3. All right, next we have a shoe company. They've invested in some equipment so they can make some shoes. The shoes cost $12 produce and sell for $60. So their goal is to break even. So when we break even, our cost needs to equal the revenue. Okay, cost is money going out, revenue is money coming in. So our cost is we had to buy the equipment, so $300,000 for the equipment. Plus, it costs us money to make the shoes, $12 for every shoe. Now, if we are selling them for $60, that's the money coming in. So $60 times X, and that just fell right off the page. Can't fit it in there. So this equals 60X. So that's it. We just need to solve this for X and find out how many shoes we need to sell. So we have 300,000 equals 48X. Divide both sides by 48, and we find that we need to sell 6,250 shoes to make a profit on this. No, that's to break even. We need to do more than that to break a profit. All right, number 7. We have ticket sales for this new animated movie that are decreasing. At the same time, ticket sales for a new horror movie are increasing. And we've got an equation for each of them listed there. So after how many weeks will ticket sales be equal? Well, these are already both solved for S, so all we have to do is use substitution. Basically, it means we're setting these equal. So we take the animated movie equation and set it equal to the horror movie equation. And all of a sudden, this is a really simple problem. I'm going to add 9.4x to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. Let's see, it's 92, I believe. And then divide, and X turns out to be 5 weeks.